guys, Mrs. Wynn here. In this video, I'm going to talk about all the other tabs and resources that can help you finish your week of April 20th checklist, all right? So if you were to click on your assignments for the week of April 20th, I went over the checklist in my last video, so you can go ahead and watch that. You still have the same independent goals document that I uploaded from last week. So take a look there and see what pyramid you have to make sure you finish by Friday. And then you have a choice board. Okay, so the choice board is an additional task that I thought would be really fun for you guys to do. You only have to choose one activity for the week, only one for the due date of April 24th, okay? So all you have to do is choose which activity you want to do. You can learn how to draw and share your drawing on this Flipgrid. Okay, that's a different Flipgrid, not the ones that we have been using. You can go on a virtual tour to Yosemite Park. You can go to the Smithsonian Natural History Museum. You can watch a crash course science video about space. You can sign up a Nitro type account. You can play a board game. Whatever choice you want to do, you don't all have to do the same thing. You can choose whichever you want, okay? And once you've completed that activity, all you have to do on your checklist is to fill out your reflection underneath, okay? So after you've done your activity, explain which activity you did, whether you drew or you went to a virtual tour to a museum. What did you think about it? Write 3 to 4 sentences, okay? Just your thoughts. In terms of My Brother Sam is Dead, I've included a tab on the left side, right here. And to complete that task, all you have to do is go onto your Files tab above. You can download the files or you can open them up in different tabs. So click on My Brother Sam is Dead, go onto Files, and then you'll find you will find the read alouds and you will find the PDFs of the book, okay? So you can do 2 things. You can right click and then you can open up in another tab, open in browser or open in another tab. Okay, so these are the chapters, and we left off at part 2 of chapter 13, so halfway through chapter 13. So I only included part 2 of that. And then we only had chapter 14 left, so it was only up to 14 chapters. There's an epilogue, which is like what happened a few years after the ending of the story. And then there's an additional part right here where it talks about how much of the book is true, because a lot of us were asking, like, Miss Wynn, is this a true story? So that's going to talk about that part. Along with each reading, there is a read aloud I included. You can open this up in another tab, so you have the read aloud playing and you can follow along through the PDF of the book, okay? Or you could just read the book yourself. It's up to you. As long as you can write your one long write on My Brother Sam is Dead, okay? You can do your independent reading on this, and you can also do your signposts on My Brother Sam is Dead. It's up to you. Some of us want to do that. Some of us want to continue on our other books, which is totally fine. All right. So I think that covers everything for this week that is to be due on April 24th. If you have any other questions, ask me on our meetup on the 20th of April, and it's at 11 a.m. And then you can ask me there. Make sure you RSVP and go onto your Outlook and RSVP from there. There's an email that I've sent you, okay? All right, well, I'll see you guys then. If you have any other questions, message me through Teams or Class Dojo. All right, bye guys.